All right, guys. So after you sign up for Systeme.io and you download this share funnel into your Systeme.io account, under funnels, you're going to find your Systeme.io in a box share funnel. This is where you're going to click it in order to edit the funnel pages. The first page is our sales page. We're going to go ahead and click here on edit page. There we go. This is the page, and this is a very simple page, right? If you want to do your edits, you can do it. You can go ahead and change the background color. So if you click here and scroll down, you can change the background color. If you want to have an inner background color, you can definitely change that. You can add an image as well at the background. And yeah, you can play around and make it your own, customize it. You can change the text here, whatever you want to put instead of this. Also, I will say you leave it as it is. If you want to make it different, because let's get this straight, this funnel will probably be used a lot. Maybe 1,000 more people have the same funnel. So in order for it to not, look the same and be all the same thing, you want to go ahead and customize it and change a few things here and make it your own. Right, so play around with it. And then we have this button where I'm basically selling my Systeme.io in a box funnel for $7. You can always go ahead and change the price. Or if you want to give it away for free, you can do that as well. The text, you change the text here. You can play around with the size of the button, if it's too big, if it's too small. You can go ahead and play around here. You can change the font type of your text, and over here, what happens when the button is clicked. So either you can pick from here, but I'll recommend either you click on the next step if the next step is an order form, or you click here on open URL and then drop the link of the page where you want to take them. So here, there's not much work. It's just about editing and putting in your own words and make it your own system, right? Here as well, same thing. And then if you want, you can go ahead and add your website, your contact information. If you have an about page, you can go ahead and edit that. Your Facebook and YouTube social medias, you can go ahead and add them here as well. All right, so that's pretty much it. You can save it. Once you're done with all the changes, go ahead and save it. If you want to look how it's gonna look once it's saved and you want to preview the page to see how it's gonna look for you and your audience, you can just click here and then preview the page. Once you're done, make sure to click here to go back to the rest of the funnel pages. And you're gonna go ahead and edit the order form. Oh, wait, let me show you something before I go there. When you click here on the sales page and then you come here, you scroll down here, you can change the name of your sales page, of your Systeme.io in a box sales page. And then this is the link that you're going to copy and start sharing it with your friends so that they can go ahead and check out your Systeme.io in a box and purchase your offer. If you want, you can go ahead and edit and change this link. So let's say this is going to be my Systeme.io in a box. You cannot have space. You cannot have like capital letters or any other symbols here. It should be text. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on save. And then copy the link and start sharing it. Oh, wait, here it says this value is not valid. Okay, so you can see I have a dot here. So that is not allowed. And let us go ahead and see now. Perfect. So now this works. You can now go ahead and copy this link and then share it with your friends. All right, now let's go back to the next option here, the next page, which is our order form. Let's go ahead and edit this page. The order form is pretty simple. They just go ahead and fill up the information here. And then I have an order bump here as well. So order bump is this additional small inexpensive product that you can add in to bump your sales, right? So let's say, they come at this stage, they're buying the Systeme in a box. Then you want to think what's going to be the next thing that I can offer them that it will help them greatly to use the Systeme in a box. I added a 1 month messages support and guidance with me because I know some of you, once they go through this funnel, some people are not they're not really familiar with Systeme.io. Maybe they are not very much into tech. Um, so they might need some additional help. So I just have that option just in case they need that additional support, additional help, additional guidance. There is a way to get it for just $27. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and edit this part as well. Make it your own, add your own offer here and change up the pricing. You just have to click here and you can change the bump name here. And you can play around with other edits. You can change the color if you want to, but normally border bumps are usually these colors. So if you want to change it, that's fine too. And then yeah, you just go ahead and add a short description of what this order bump, what are they going to be receiving. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you go ahead and save it. And then make sure you preview the page to see how it's looking. And one more thing I forgot to show you on the sales page. So normally this page, what you're editing here, this is going to be the desktop view, right? This is how people are going to see on their desktop. So mobile view is going to be a bit different. So let us go ahead and check mobile view. If you click here, you're going to see this is going to be the mobile view. And this is really not the best way, but it's okay, right? It's okay. So if you want to move things up, if you see that your order form is not looking good in mobile and you want to edit some things up, you just make this mobile view and start editing things. Okay, so for example, yeah, see now it's on the center. So now you can start editing it and making things the way you want it to look on mobile and desktop view. And then once you're done editing, go ahead and save the changes and then go back to edit the next page. Before going to the next page, we have to do something over here. We have to set up our pricing because on the order form, that is where people are going to buy your offer, right? So you're going to scroll down. If you want to change the name of your order form, you can do it here. If you want to change the link to your order form page, you can do that here. And then if you want to set up affiliate commissions, you can do that over here as well. Just write down what's the percentage of affiliate commissions this person is going to receive and when will the commission be paid, right? If you have a sales limit, you can write that here. For example, you only want a certain amount, like $1,000 to be generated, then you're going to write that here. But I do not recommend this step. Why would you limit your sales, right? So yeah, it's really pretty useless at this point. All right, and then you're gonna come here to choose your offer type to basically set up your offer and your pricing. So is your product a digital product or a physical product? If it is a digital product, then you must have a place where they can access it. And for that, you will need to set up into under resources. So for example, let's say you're giving away a mini course as your main offer, or you're giving away a freebie. So where can they access this thing? Um, if you have a course, if it's like a course, then you can click here and then select a resource and then click on courses. But before you go to this tab, you must go ahead and create a course inside under products inside courses. Okay. If it's just an ebook and they can just access it through a link that you're going to give to them via email, then you don't need to set up this email, this resource part. Sorry, you don't have to set up anything here. So you just remove that. Then you're going to go ahead and set up your price plan. So you click here. Let's say my main offer is a $7 product, right? So you're going to go ahead and create a new one, write down your price plan name displayed on the order form, price plan named displayed on the order form. So mine is Systeme IO in a box, $7. That's it, right? I don't need to have like a really big name or a really confusing thing. I just have the name of the product and the amount. And I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here and paste it here as well. And then my price plan type is a one-time payment. The amount is $7. And then go ahead and save it, right? Once you save it, it's going to appear over here. Because I've already saved and created that plan, I can just go ahead and pick it from here. One-time offer, Systeme IO in the box. There you go. Click save. If you want to offer them coupons so they can, use that while purchasing your offer, you can go ahead and add that here. And then next you want to do is you want to add an order bump. So let me remove that and start from scratch so you can see how this is done. You're going to see this option here. So you're going to click here, add order bump. Add this to offer to your payment page using the order bump element. Again, you're going to choose the offer type. Is it the digital product that you're selecting or is it the physical product that you're giving away? So we're going to go ahead and pick digital product. Again, where can they access this digital product? Can they access it in a course? Is it something you're going to give away via email? Or is it some kind of Facebook support that they're going to be receiving and you're going to send the link to some other channel? If that's the case, you don't have to put anything here. Then you're going to set up your price plan. So you're going to choose your price plan here. If you do not have it, if you do not have any price plan, you can go ahead and create one just like I did before. If you already have the price plan created, you just go ahead and pick here. So mine's a one-time payment. And again, over here, you can choose. It doesn't always have to be a one-time payment. You can always have a subscription. You can also have like a payment plan offered in an order bump. So let's go for one-time payment. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then, okay, there we are. Choose an existing, oops, what's going on? Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pick this one for now, and you click save. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and view the funnel to see if everything's okay. So this is how your page is going to look like, your order page. There we go. That's our order bump. And boom, that's it. Okay. Go back and let's go ahead and edit our upsell. Now, if you don't want to have the upsell, if you are not selling the PLR bundle, you can totally remove this. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this page here. Right. So that is my upsell page. If you have the PLR package and you want to sell that PLR package, you can add that as an upsell. So there we go. This again is a very simple page, guys. This funnel is really, really simple. I did not add anything complicated or that is like too loud or too much to the eye because I kept it simple so that you guys can edit it as per you want, right? Not everyone likes simple, not everyone likes too loud. Everyone has like different design type that they like. So you're free to, play around, make it your own, and make it something that you're happy with. Okay. Right. So yeah, I added all these images of the courses and everything that they will be receiving. So pretty much this page, you don't need a lot of work. I've done this all for you. You can just make a few changes and boom, that's it. You're ready to sell this, right? You can change the price. I'm selling this for $97, which was the original price of the PLR package, but you can always go ahead and increase or decrease the price, totally up to you. And then we have two buttons here. Yes, I want to take this offer. No, I do not want to take advantage of this offer. And whichever option they pick, if they click on the accept button, then what's going to happen is that this amount is going to add up to the previous $7. And if they pick the order bomb, my order bomb, then it's going to add like $7 plus $27 plus $97. If they do not want to take advantage of this offer, then they will be taken to the next page, which is going to be the thank you page, right? So make sure you play around with this funnel. If you want to add a few things, you can always go ahead and extra text. You can go ahead and add a headline text. You can add some extra rows if you want to. You can add some images, some videos, and whatever. You can play around, right? And then once you're done, you just click save and go back. And below, you're going to find the PLR bundle. You can change the name of this bundle, of this upsell, and change the link as well. And again, you're going to do the same step as we did on the sales page. Because on the upsell page, you are selling something. You are selling the PLR package. So you need to give them access, right? So let's say the PLR package, you have it stored in your course area. You can give them access there. So resources, select a course, Systeme PLR package, right? That's where I have access to all the courses and stuff that they're buying. And then the price plan, you're going to pick here. So let me just remove that to show you from scratch. Click here, price plan type, one-time payment, PLR package, $97. Save it. And then once you make changes here, make sure you save it here as well. And you can go ahead and view the funnel, the entire funnel, and see and test it out and look at it and make sure that it is also mobile optimized, okay? Now there's one more page that comes here. That's the thank you page. I've recorded a separate video because that page is way too long. So make sure you watch that video as well.